What up, guys? Welcome to Playing Man. Fake it till you make it. We're in Erick's shop and we're going to be making knives. This guy's going to step us through it. So Erick is a steel worker. He builds steel buildings. So I love getting in his shop because I know nothing about steel.
I'm gonna make a kukri.
A kukri?
Yeah.
What the heck is that?
It's like it's kind of like a machete, but that's like curved.
Oh, so you're making a big one.
Yeah.
We're gonna be using a mild steel to start.
Alright. So we can literally make this as long as we want it. We're gonna put these upside down to get our blades sharp. So you're doing the blade size and then measuring for the handle? How long is the tang?
I do about 4 inches.
4 inches? So we're doing a 4-inch tang and 6-inch blade.
Two different types of styles of doing it. You can forge it or you can do it.
What are you doing? Are you building one today?
I'm gonna finish them up on mine, yeah.
Okay.
They do it also where they cut the shape of the blade and just in the playlist, and then you use your sander to
to shape it.
shape everything.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of doing.
Oh, so just
And
use
you
that as
get a cleaner look that way. With forging, you'll have like marks of your hammering.
Yeah, let's do that. That'll be fun. I want it to look like handmade.
And you're doing a punch line. Yeah. You can go ahead and draw it.
So we just draw the design on there, huh? I'm just gonna Google Bowie knife. Here's Ethan's design so far. So that's what you're sticking with, man? That's cool. This is my design. Here's the knives Erick designed, his first knives. This is all our first time making knives.
It's like throwing knives.
But Erick now has some experience. Some throwing knives.
I thought about it like, I'm gonna just cut a bunch of throwing.
No, it's just like a little side knife. They're cool, Erick. Good job, man.
I like this one.
We're gonna add the handles in another video. So what kind of blade are we using for the steel, Erick? Just metal cutoff. Okay. Ethan's going to use this bad boy.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Look at that big old thing. Don't forget about your safety goggles. I actually just picked these up at a yard sale. I always pick up goggles when I see them at a yard sale because I lose them all the time and I don't wear them enough, so I like to have them laying around the shop because I only have one good eye. All right, Erick, so the first step is literally just to cut it out?
Yeah.
What's next, Erick?
Do your final shape, clean it up with the grinder.
The grinder here, okay. So he's got an upside down grinder to do the final, just all I'm doing is just cleaning up the edge and
Clean it up and getting your final shape.
not sharpening or anything.
No.
Okay.
You'll do your bevel and stuff with the sander.
Okay, cool. Got mine all shaped out, guys. I got a little place for my finger there. Did you get your blade already?
Sort of.
Oh, nice. Oh, so it's like double bladed? Oh, there's a blade
Yeah,
over
there's
here?
a blade here and a here.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
cool.
two blades. You wanted to forge yours and hammer it a little? Try to draw the steel down smaller, or how did you
I
want it?
think so. You gotta heat it up first, right?
Yeah.
All right, so after we banged it up a little bit and add some shape and flattened it out, Erick's marking a spot for my big bevel. Just want to make sure the line is on the same spot on both sides. So he's using this little
Straight edge.
spacer. Yeah, straight edge and a spacer, basically to make sure the space is equal on both sides of the blade. I want to blade this side too, so I guess the bevel should be in the middle of that, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got our knives shaped out. That's what Erick built right there. Here's Ethan's, here's mine with the horrible bevels on it. I can't get a good bevel on mine because it's rounded. Well, his is rounded, he did a great job. Oh, dude, you just made your knife awesome. Sick. Give somebody a haircut from a distance. Can I just leave it like this? This is like really cool. Yours looks like a hockey stick, actually.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It just got manly times 100 in here. This is the first time I actually feel like I'm not playing man because this is pretty dangerous. Erick's actually being man. You know, us, me and Michael, we're just playing man here. All right, next step in this process. Erick, what are you doing?
checking if it hardened.
I have a set of Japanese sanding stones, wet stones. Goes all the way up to, I think, 8,000 grit.
Why they gotta be Japanese?
Japanese know how to make their knives sharp.
do know.
I guess we'll just sharpen them on our own time, put the blades at our own house, and then we're gonna come to my place and put some wood handles on it, and
Alright,
maybe make
what's
some
the thing
sheets with leather.
I'm gonna do one more.
This is how you temper your knife if you don't have a forge. You just put a torch on it, and go back and forth until it gets red hot, and then dip it in the oil. It makes the blade harder. They suggest you temper them 2 to 3 times. I did twice on mine. They did theirs 3 times. I don't want to waste Erick's resources. I feel grateful enough as it is. I don't want to waste all this gas. After we clean up the black oil with the little sander here, we're just all going to sharpen them ourselves. Put the blade on the end of it with some Japanese whetstones. Dude, yours looks sick, bro. Mine looks sicker, and Erick's looks really sick. So we got 3 sick knives here.
And 3 sick boys.
It's a shame that Michael didn't show up or couldn't make it. What kind of knife do you think he would have came up with, guys?
Nice big rainbow one.
Like a rainbow style?
Yeah.
Hey, guys, thanks for joining us for Playman. And Erick, thanks a lot, dude, for letting us use the resources and teaching us how to make knives.
Yeah. One step closer to being a man. Us.
Yeah. This was like one of the best arts and craft days I've ever had. But we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, fake it till you make it.